It's the biggest show in the industry, and every year, I promise you, it gets bigger and bigger and bigger, and the crowds are more fun, and there's more to do, and it expands, and we're gonna go check it out. Come on. Every name, every manufacturer, every piece of equipment you need to do your business is here. This is an exclusive time for dealers to come and talk to the reps, talk to the manufacturers about things that are gonna help their business, parts, warranty, price point, profit margins, things like that. That's what this time of the day is for this show. This is an important relationship between the dealer and the manufacturer. And this is the time that these dealers are going to get all the information they need to take to their customers, for you to take to your customers. So this is a great time of day to be at this show.